Hey guys, right here we have the 2021 Toyota Sienna, and guess what it has? So you're going to have hands-free side door operation as well as power liftgate operation. All you got to do is wave your foot. It's not side to side like a lot of people think. It's actually a quick step forward, kick, and then step straight back. And then you're going to do the exact same thing on the liftgate. All you got to do is walk straight up to it, kick forward, and then step back. And you can actually do the exact same motion to close the doors and close the liftgate. So we're going to show you that right here. Walk up to it, kick your foot, do it pretty quick, and then step back out of the way and the door will close. It's that easy, guys. If you want to check out a 2021 Sienna, come see me, Kyle the Toyota guy, right here at Toyota of Cool Springs.